Hello, it's Marjaana here and welcome to my channel. The spring is coming, yet slowly, in Finland. Today I will make a daffodil wreath for our front door to get some spring feeling. First cut templates from paper. I made first the inner petal about 7.5 centimeters wide and 5 centimeters high. You need one of these for each flower. Then I made the template for outer petals about 6.5 centimeter high and 3 centimeters wide. You need 6 petals for one flower. Then I made template for leaves around 20 centimeters high and 2 centimeters wide. Then we will cut the pieces from crepe paper using the templates we just made. Cut the pieces out of crepe paper that way that the crepe paper stretches sideways. Cut also long pieces from green crepe paper that we will wrap around the wire. Put the hot glue gun to warm up, and meanwhile you can shape the petals into a cup shape. First, glue the stamens to the end of the wire. Then glue the inner petal, or however this is called, I don't know, but glue it to the tube shape and then glue the tube around the stamens. Then shape the tube into a bellflower shape. Then glue 6 petals around the center. First glue 3 petals, same distances from each other, and then you can glue rest of the 3 petals between the petals you just glued. wrap the long piece of crepe paper around the wire. I used all-purpose glue to glue the crepe paper. The flower is almost done. Then I used an aqua marker and I colored the edges of the inner petal, and I spread the color with water a bit. I made 4 flowers with the longer and thicker wire, and then 2 flowers with thinner wire. Then bend 4 flowers with the thicker wire and make a circle out of them, and you can bend the flowers outwards. Attach the flowers together with wire. Then I attach the rest of the 2 flowers. Then glue the long crepe paper around the wreath using all-purpose glue, and glue leaves at the same time. Finally, you can add a small hanger made out of wire if needed. The wreath is ready. What do you think? This is going to look great on our front door.